Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to Trading with David 305. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hope you got your coffee. Happy Thursday. Yes. Let's see how today goes after making $60,000 yesterday. I'm really not gonna focus on any other account since I already made so much on those. I am just gonna focus on trying to pass this evaluation here. Let's see what we could do. This does require a 50% consistency to pass the evaluation. So to pass it now, I'm gonna have to hit $10,059 again. Or we could take our time and make 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 until we get the consistency rate down to 50%. So we're gonna have to see what happens. We're gonna play it by ear here. All right. So first things first, of course, we're gonna check the news. There we go. Today's February 19th. And there was red folder news at 8:30. Looked positive. 9 o'clock, orange folder at 10 a.m. Nothing to be too concerned about, but it will move the market slightly. We just got to keep an eye on ATR, the average trading range, and Trump is set to speak at 4 o'clock, which I won't be on the charts, so you guys be careful. And that's what we have for today, Thursday. Tomorrow, lots of red folders. 8:30 a.m. we got 1, 2 at 8:30, 9:45 PMI, 2 red folders. So that's gonna be interesting. And 10 a.m. another orange folder. So a lot of volatility tomorrow. But today, let's see 8:30 what happens. Let's see. All right, 8:30. Yeah, a little pump. I had a little pump right here. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning. So I learned my lesson from yesterday. I now have NinjaTrader up on the other laptop, and Trade open on the browser. So in case that doesn't work or some crazy shit happens again today, I could jump in and close the damn order and hopefully not blow the account or get $60,000 again. That was wild. That was a wild ass day. That was insanity yesterday, let me tell you. 60, 100. This is a 100K account. We're at 125,000. This is a 50K account. We're at 81,000. Yeah, that's how we're doing right now. This is obviously didn't get traded, so it's normal. It's a normal 25K account. And this is an evaluation, so who gives a shit if I made 10,000? That's nothing. I need to pass the eval to get to it funded, but these two are funded. So I have a massive amount of drawdown available with the Tradeify account. So I can start risking instead of what I was normally doing. I could actually do minis now easily with that account. Easily do minis, 2, 3 minis. I have plenty of drawdown. I have like over $20,000 in drawdown. Insanity. Um, and then this Apex, so the way they work and they're trailing drawdown, um, yeah, I actually don't have that much drawdown with them because it popped up, then it came down, and then I closed it, so it like lost drawdown. The weirdest shit in the world, man. Apex, when it comes to like rules, they have the most rules, man. So yeah, and the crazy part is I was literally like $200 away from a payout, and I completely blew up the consistency rate on the 50 on this 50K account with that trade because I couldn't close it. Great content, made 60K. It shows you what is possible when you're day trading. Obviously, there's people that make that. That's like a break-even day for some people. You know, there's people that make millions of dollars every time this candlestick moves, man. People are making millions. What happened yesterday was like honestly a freak accident. The copy trader just multiplied all the orders until it maxed out. It maxed out as much leverage as I could possibly do, which that was not my plan. And luckily, the trade that I took was a beautiful trade with little drawdown, because I was going to take that trade regardless. It was a great setup. But that was a wild ass day. Yeah, it's like I wanted 4 micros and I did 100 micros. What a move. What a move. What a move, man. That was wild. That was legit wild. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button so I can keep growing this channel. And if you know anybody that's interested in trading or wants to learn how to day trade, make sure that they come and subscribe. It's free. I'm giving free information. No course selling here. Literally just watch what I do. Yes, my videos are 2 hours long. Trading is not just pushing a button. It is, but it isn't. It's about knowing when to push that button. And I try to teach the fundamentals here. For starters, and if you have any questions while I'm live, you could always ask. There's no stupid questions. This is the 5-minute time frame. That means that every candle here took 5 minutes to form. This candle will stop. This candle that's making a little red movement right here, it will stop in 46 seconds, 43 seconds, forming, and then the next candle will start, and that'll be another 5 minutes. So each candle you see here is 5 minutes. And then here, every candle here is 60 minutes, also known as 1 hour. And that's what we're looking at. This is my P&L from yesterday. As you could see, it was no joke. I made 60,000 yesterday. It's still there. It's real. Insanity. That was a freak accident. ATR is currently at 25. Pretty volatile for ATR means average trading range. 25 means 24 means points. These are the price of the NASDAQ. It's currently at 24,832. What futures market is pretty simple. You try to predict the future, right? You're not buying stocks. You're buying a contract that says, hey, I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go from 24,833 to 24,854. So what am I going to do? I'm going to hit a buy market to say it's going to go there. I'll put my target there. When the price hits that target, boom, you get paid depending on how many contracts you put. There's micro contracts, there's mini contracts, um, and there's um there's a size to those contracts of how much you'll make if you put it at that certain price range. What we try to do is we don't try to predict, but we try to what I try to do. What I try to do is try to react to what the market is showing me. How do I know that? Well, with many years of experience, I've learned how to read these candlesticks, how to read these EMAs. They're called moving averages, exponential moving averages. This is the last 20 candles, this blue line here. I have these indicators. This is 50 EMA, so the last 50 candles. This one here is called VWAP. This is where institutions buy and sell, like banks. So it's pretty important to have that because they make the market move. When they inject $10 billion or sell $10 billion in stock, you'll see that move drastically. So we wait to see a reaction when price gets to those levels. Then these little red gaps here are imbalances in price. So we look for the price. The market always wants to fix imbalances in the price. It likes to be balanced. So it fills these imbalances. So sometimes we set those as targets, or we look for reactions after they get filled or wicked into. Overall, we get a good picture of which way the market wants to move in. All right, this yellow square that you guys see here, this is the London session. So London opens at 3 a.m. and goes into New York session. So it's London and New York open together for some time, for a little gap. Then London closes, New York stays open. Obviously, New York opens at 9:30. It is 9:13, so we're still waiting for the New York open. I'm not taking any trades. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. And this gap right here that you see that's after London, this is Asia. So the Asia session was right here. This was New York session, the blue, and this is Asia. So Asia looked like it was pretty much consolidating, and then London looked like it did some sort of manipulation to the downside. And now what we're looking for is possibly for New York to distribute, maybe to the upside or to continue to flush. Pretty simple. We're gonna mark out some key levels here. I'm gonna take these blue lines out of here because that's from yesterday. I don't want to confuse anybody. It looks like that low still hasn't been taken, so I'm gonna leave. That's a daily low. I'm gonna leave this blue line here, and I'm gonna mark the London low, which is the bottom of this yellow, right? Boom. And we're gonna mark the top of London. Why am I marking these levels? Well, price has not tapped into these levels. Price has not tapped here yet or down here. So we're waiting for a reaction to when it gets to these levels of liquidity. There's a lot of buyers here, or there could be a lot of sellers. We have to wait to see how the market reacts. Okay? How the market reacts to these zones is how we're going to trade. We look at the overall higher time frames for confirmation of which direction the market wants to go in. Today I'm going to probably just trade the evaluation, and ATR is at 24, so we don't want to get too crazy. It's a little volatile for pre-market. It's usually set at like 16, but as long as it doesn't get over 50, trading should be decent. If it gets over 50, then it's gonna get a little wild, and we'll set the risk parameters. None of this is financial advice. This is just my experience, and I'm just trying to educate you guys. All right, let me see here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Good morning. If you're just tuning in, market opens in 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes. Hope y'all are ready. Make sure to hit that like button. Please. Appreciate it. Hit the like button. If you can't hit the like button, it's probably because you're not subscribed or you're not logged in. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button. Alrighty. So we're not going to use the copy trader. As you can see, there is nothing that says copiando or copy here anymore because I removed that indicator completely. So I don't have any other situation like that again. At least not until I try another copy trader or something else, because yeah, well, there's really no need to to go crazy. I'm already up for the whole week and probably the whole year, to be honest. So let's see. No need to take any, unless I see a beautiful trade, you know. But what we're gonna try to do, and so you guys could see full transparency, the evaluation that I need to pass, or that I don't need to pass it, but I want to pass it. Let me see here, 1 second. All right. So let's see. Let me pull up the Lucid. This is the Lucid account that I purchased, the 50K evaluation. So this is the crazy trade that we took yesterday, right? We have a huge, from 50,000, it started February 17th is when I purchased it. And 18, I made $10,059. And it needs a 50% consistency rate, right? So we can't lose. Drawdown is $10,000 or $9,959. That's my drawdown on the evaluation because I made so much, but it needs to have 50%. So I have to get to 70,118 to pass the evaluation. As you can see, that was yesterday. Today is the 19th. We're going to shoot for that same exact number. How am I going to do that? We're probably going to have to do crazy ass trade, man. Either a crazy ass trade, or what I could do, just slowly make $1,000 or $2,000 every day. 2,000 until I pass the eval. I still have plenty of time. I still have what, about 30 days to pass this. So we could take basic, $1,000 or $2,000 trades. I think that's probably the better option instead of trying to get another 10K just to pass this eval. I don't want to throw away what it costs to buy the eval, even though it was about 70 bucks. I don't want to throw away the 70 bucks. So we're going to take it slow and we're going to take good trades until we pass it because we have plenty of time. So there you go. That is the Lucid prop firm that I am trying out. Heard good things. So I don't have a affiliation with them in any way, but we're gonna trade them, see how they do. What's up, man? What's up? Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button. This is my current P&L, my weekly P&L. We're only going to trade the eval today, so that is this account. And depending on the ATR, I will either trade 10 micros or 20 micros. Fair enough. 10 or 20. I am not going to do a $10,000 trade. Y'all could do whatever you want. I'm going to look for the best possible trade, of course. We're going to stay patient. It's still 9:21. Market opens at 9:30. So just stay patient. I did mark out some levels of London high, which is 25,054. And we got 24,796. That is the London low. And then we have the Asia low. I'm sorry, not the Asia low. This is just the previous day low. 24,702. That is your pretty key levels. I have this marked out here also. Level that price likes to tap back into. And we have a imbalance here on the 1 hour, so it's possible it could fill this. It's possible, or it could completely rip to the upside like I did yesterday. This was my trade yesterday. I literally took a long, I took the long, if I don't remember correctly, I took the long around here somewhere, and this thing obviously ripped to the moon. To the moon, guys. What a trade, man. I'm more impressed with the trade itself than the actual money I made, because it was such a beautiful trade. If anybody actually followed me and took that trade with me, there was literally no way you didn't make money. There was no way. If you took a buy order or a long, whatever you want to call it, there's no way you didn't make money on that. You might have panicked because I panicked and closed it early, but I'm sure you made something. I panicked because I couldn't close out the orders. But anyways, yeah, we got ATR at 24 currently. Market is gonna open soon. This is the 5-minute time frame, in case you guys are wondering, and I got the 1 hour time frame right here. And then on my other screens here, obviously I can't have everything on one screen. It's too many. I have the ES, which is the S&P 500, 5-minute time frame. I watched that. I got the 4-hour time frame, and I got the 15-minute time frame. So I like to see a lot of confluences when I take the trade. Good morning, Vlad. Good morning. I like to see multiple confluences telling me, market's going in that direction. So I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, please. I need to grow the channel. I'm trying to get to, I don't know, 1 million? Is that? Let's just, let's shoot for the moon. I have everybody trading in Miami. This is going to be the new New York, because New York is going to shit. I don't know if you guys know or if you heard, but they're trying to squeeze the middle class and everybody over there, increasing property taxes. It's so crazy. We have more people in Florida than they do in the whole state of Florida than they do in New York City. And we have a smaller budget and we can manage that. It's just, they don't know what the hell they're doing there, man. They really don't. I feel bad, but I promise you, all those people are going to leave. They're either going to go to Texas or Florida. It's just, who could handle that? You get less. You got to pay more for less. You don't get a beach. Like, yeah, man. Like, I don't know. I'll pass. I'll pass on the New York. Been there, done that. I'll go visit. It's nice to visit. All right, market opens in, oops. Yeah, in 5 minutes, guys. On my little timer there. Hey. What's going on? This thing disconnected. Oh. All right. Sorry, guys. It looks like it disconnected there for a second. Had a little technical issue. Let me make sure I don't have enough tabs. Might have too many tabs open. This was the eval. Let's close that. And let me close this. Don't want this thing overworking here. Don't want it overworking. This was the news, so you guys are aware of the news today. 8:30, we had some news, and we have an orange folder at 10 a.m. Not too concerned about that, depending on the ATR. All right, let's see. Hope you guys are ready. Market is opening soon. All right, so I do make two sounds usually, sound effects, unless I was in a trade and things aren't going well or good or whatever. But I'll usually make this sound if I think it's gonna start going up.
Green giant, green giant.
Okay, and if I think it's gonna go down, I usually do this.
Tactical nuke incoming!
So yeah, those are two little sound effects. In case you're wondering what the hell is going on David's live stream, yeah. Sorry. Alrighty. Yeah, it looks like the video disconnected for a second, the live stream, but we reconnected. We're good. Market is dumping now. Obviously dumping right before 9:30. What pair? This is not Forex. This is the NASDAQ. I'm not trading Forex. I'm trading futures. This is the futures market on CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Y'all could buy a prop firm and trade it on Tradeovate or Ninja Trader. That's what I'm using. And trade at your own risk. Okay, guys. Prop firms I know with Apex are 90% off right now. So you could probably get like a 50K account for 30 bucks and practice with that. That's a great way to manage your risk. Okay. But appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button and keep asking questions, and I will answer them with no problem, guys. Appreciate it. Market opens. New York Stock Exchange is going to open now in about 1 minute. So stay tuned. Let's see how the candle moves. ATR is the average trading range. It's about 23 right now, almost 24. So let's see. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, 60 minutes here. And the way you know I'm trading the NASDAQ, it's MNQ, micro. I'm doing micros, not just NQ, because then that would be minis. And minis are bigger contracts. And I think you can control better the trade with micros. Except you get more fees because you're using more contracts. So you got to play with it, but you have more control of the trade. Let's get it. Let's get it. Y'all ready? Market opens in 10 seconds. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Market is open, guys. Just in case you didn't hear it. Let's see what it wants to do. I think it wants to fill this. It's right here, maybe, or maybe it's gonna rush it down here. There is a gap here on the 5 minute. We're gonna stay patient. We're gonna wait for the first 15 minutes, like we do almost every day. We're gonna wait for the market to give us a beautiful setup and do the best thing we can do. That's all we can do. All right, and make sure you guys trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. But I have a lot of experience. And as you can see, I've been on a winning streak for 5 weeks. Since I opened the stream, I haven't lost a week. I've been profitable every week. And yesterday I made $60,000 by mistake, which I was really just planning to make 400 bucks, which I would have made clearly because the trade played out. But my system just said, no, we're not going to do 4 micros. We're going to do 100 micros. Out of nowhere, it just added 100 micros to my trade. And then it didn't let me close the order for about 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, it went to the moon. And then I was finally able to close the orders out at $30,000 each account almost. Ended up being almost $60,000. Insanity. Insanity. At least it was a good trade. I'll tell you that much. That's what I'm more proud of. That it was such a beautiful trade. Not about the amount of money, which is great. That it had that crazy ass error because this is something I would have never done. But the trade itself was beautiful. All right. Let's see what the market does. Right now, it's moving nowhere. It is going up and down, up and down. So really what the market does when it first opens, it pretty much wipes out all the orders. It does what's called a whipsaw. It'll rip up, then whip down, or rip right back up. And it just literally wiping everybody out. So the people who trade the New York Open, they're taking quick scalps. 10 points, pop, pop, done. And they're either losing big or winning big, and it's quick. They're trading on the 1 minute time frame, and this shit is moving on the one. If this is moving on the 5 minute time frame like this, on the 1 minute it's going like this. It's going crazy. So imagine, that's stressful, man. I don't know. I like to look for just one nice setup. It's worked for me. Set the orb up. Have the EMAs, confirmation, confluences of multiple time frames, and boom, that's it. You know what I mean? And it works 70% of the time. 70% of the time, I win. There is a 30% loss rate. So it's not 100%, guys. I know that there's people out there that have 80%, 90%. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. What I've studied, I'm happy with 70%, That's more than enough. I usually do a 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm at 70%. So ask ChatGPT if that's a profitable strategy. A 1-to-1 with a 70% win rate. Is that profitable? I promise you ChatGPT would say that is a very profitable strategy. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. I see a lot of people watching me. I appreciate it. Let's stay patient. We're going to wait for the first 15 minutes to set the orb, guys. All right? Stay patient. What do you guys think it's going to do today? Since a lot of you guys are in the chat, I am going to set a little poll that everybody likes to set. Is the market going to pump, or is it going to dump today? Let's see. We're gonna do a little poll, and you guys could vote in the chat. Is it gonna pump, or is it gonna dump? Let's go. There it is. What's going to happen today? Pump or dump? That looks like a pretty strong rejection there. Looks like a strong rejection. Hit that EMA 50. Completely rejected to the downside. We're on a red candle here. We got ES dumping. We got MNQ dumping. I'm sorry. Yeah, of course MNQ is dumping. We have the 4-hour dumping. Oof, 15 minutes dumping. Whoa! It's a dump? Everybody in the chat says 70% is good result, bro. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. It is pretty good. I think it is. Worked out for me for the last 2 years, so have the payouts to prove it. Definitely got my 1099 for 2025 with all my payouts from the prop firm. So yeah, I definitely know it works. One of the hardest things to do is get a payout from a prop firm. Look at this. It is dumping. Uh-oh. Did Trump say tariff? What is happening? This shit has gone to shit. Wait. We gotta play it. We gotta play it. What do we think is gonna happen here? This thing is going down.
Tactical nuke incoming!
I think it's going up. Or is it a sweep? It could be a sweep. Remember, I marked this line out, guys. I marked this line out. This is the London low. So it just swept all the orders that were not tapped into. But there is an imbalance here on the 5-minute that it might want to fill. And then it hasn't tapped the daily low. So this could be a current little sweep. It might, let's see. Let's see how it reacts. For us to look for a long, we got to see it close up here. So we're looking for a long if it closes above, I would say 24,944. 24,944. It would have to close up here. That's a pretty strong long right there. That would be like around here. So if it closes above here or anywhere, I would say anywhere around here, that's a strong long. But if it closes down here, it might want to continue going down. Now, we're not going to chase the price. What we do is we wait for a retest, a little pullback, right? And then we look for the candle that shows us it wants to continue going down. All right, so stay patient, guys. Stay patient. We're going to catch it. We're going to catch it. The market just opened. Y'all think it's going to pump? Hey, it's possible. Anything is possible. This shit is right now. If you guys look at the 1 hour time frame, it's kind of going sideways. I mean, there's a little dump here, but again, it could be a liquidity sweep. It could be a sweep of all the orders. Maybe a bunch of buyers down here. Hasn't been here in some time. So there might be buyers just hanging out right here. Obviously, they were. But is it strong enough to completely flip this candle to the green side? Because overall, if you look at the higher time frames, the market is bearish. Bearish means it wants to go down. Now we need to see a bounce. We need to see a pretty big bounce to the upside to change our bias, right? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Whoa, look at that. Guys, if you're looking at the 15-minute time frame, you'll see it's a complete doji. A doji is a candle that's indecided or undecided, indecided. You know what I mean. It doesn't know where to go. It doesn't know if to go up or down. And it looks like it's going to turn into a doji here on the 1 hour too. So what a sweep. Look at that. Swept up here, got rejected, came down, swept the London lows, and got bought up. Interesting. It might be a choppy day, guys. It might be a choppy day. We have 5 more minutes until the 15-minute orb is set. So we're going to stay patient, guys. Let's see what the market wants to do. So yeah, I'm just going to trade the eval today. Obviously, you guys saw my P&L right here. This is how we did yesterday. Almost 60,000, or no, 60,000. I'm just going to trade this eval. I'm not going to mess with the other accounts since we're so profitable on the week. I don't want to mess up the week doing anything stupid. And I'm not going to copy trade. So yeah, let's see. ATR is currently at 31. As long as it stays under 50, trade might look pretty good. I'm for now going to do 10 micros, also known as 1 mini, on the evaluation. You guys risk accordingly and risk what you can mentally sustain losing. Because if, let's say, just put $100, if you're okay losing $100, risk 100 to make 100. You know what I mean? If you're okay losing $1,000, but don't think about how much you're gonna win. Think about how much you're willing to lose, guys. how much you're willing to risk. That is what I would suggest. Again, not financial advice. You don't even have to trade. You can just watch. You could just watch. Yeah. How many have you trade every day? How how many do I trade every day? Or I trade Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Uh, until I take the trade. Either I win or lose. So I'm usually on from 9 o'clock to I don't know 11 or 11:30. If I'm stuck in the trade, I might be in the trade, until 1 o'clock. It really depends, but my average is about 2-3 hours on live since 9 o'clock. And how much do I risk? It really depends on the ATR, so the average trading range. It also depends on my mental capital. How much am I willing to lose today? It comes down to that stuff too. So look, it's really freaking choppy. I'll tell you that much. These swings up and down are really killing people, thinking it's going short and then it rips right back up and then it comes right back down. So it's hitting stop losses and then going in the direction they really wanted. So you guys just got to stay patient. Stay patient, guys. I could what we can do, let's do this. I'm gonna move it right there. Remember, this was the London low. It swept it twice actually. Now it looks like it's want to flip. It might want to fill these imbalances. Let's see. Again, if price comes above VWAP and the EMA 200 here and closes up here, that is a nasty rejection to the downside and a flip. I'm gonna start setting up the orb. Y'all could do it too if you want. This is the rectangle tool. We got 935. Okay, so 935 is up here and the low. That was the lowest currently. We're still waiting a minute and 20 seconds, so if it goes lower, we'll make it bigger. If it goes higher, we'll make the square higher. But for right now, I think that is probably going to be the orb. All right, so I'm going to make that nice and big for you guys. I'm just going to put that, well, we'll leave it there. We'll leave that there. So I'm risking on the evaluation. How many hours do I trade every day? Yeah, like 2-3 hours. I would say I'm on the chart from 9 o'clock to like 11 a.m. Eastern time. So about 2 hours, 2-3 hours is my average. Sorry. Uh-oh. Is this going to turn into a green giant?
Green giant.
It's possible.
Green giant.
Again, I will be looking for longs if it gets above VWAP. Once it taps VWAP, we got to wait to see what the institutions want to do, if they want to buy or sell there. So just be careful, guys. All right, orb is set. Make sure you set the orb. It has already been set here. Obviously, this candle closed within the range of these two candles that made a low and a high. And that is your 15-minute orb right there. I'm going to set the orb on my laptop here just to have multiple eyes on what's happening. Did it just flip to the downside? Is that what I'm looking at? It said it's green giant. It said, nah, homie, we're going down. Reverse. I'm telling you guys, wait for the breakout. We're going to wait for the break and retest possibly. ATR is currently at 35, so we're still within a good range of trading. All right. This is 9:30. Okay. And Wow, 15-minute time frame is dumping. Everything's kind of dumping there. Oh, complete rejection of that green giant. Complete rejection. Looking really choppy though. Looking very choppy. Let's see. Oh shit. There we go. Just have my other screens over here. Let's see. Man, what's going down? This thing's it just went from green giants to reverse, buddy. It's going down. Did you guys vote in the poll which way it's gonna go? Or is it kind of tied? Is this gonna turn into a reversal or another sweep to the low? Or just gonna go sideways all day on the freaking inside the orb? Is it a
Tactical nuke incoming!
It's possible. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. So this was a nice retest if you think about it. If it closes down, it might want to continue going down, guys. You know, if it closes out here, it just tapped EMA 21. It tapped EMA 21. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Or it could chop all day, man. It is really cold inside my house right now. Let me put up the air. AC is blasting. Yes, sir. Trend on the 1 hour is down. So ideally, a short would be in play currently, and we're under VWAP. So I'd rather take a short at this moment in time if it breaks to the downside. Now, if it breaks to the upside, from my set rules, I do not take a long unless it breaks above VWAP. Now, if it breaks under VWAP into the VWAP, we're not going long there. It could rush to the moon, but I still don't feel confident about that long. So we're going to play it by ear, guys. ATR is at 35. Ideally, I would rather see a short, and I don't even like shorts, but ideally, that's what I'd rather see. But it is looking weak to the downside now. Look at these candles. Every time it taps this pivot, this isn't the pivot. This is a super trend. Every time it taps this here, it keeps bouncing up. So it's having a hard time. There is a swing low right here. You got to be careful. I mean, it's in a real chop zone right now, to be honest. It could be choppy here. On ES, it looks like it tapped the VWAP. It's at VWAP almost right now. It tapped VWAP on ES, which is the S&P 500, and it is rejecting to the downside. Now, if ES confirms that VWAP has a lot of sellers, at least maybe NQ does too. So you got to be careful. If this does break to the upside, it could be a fake out. And it could tap VWAP and then completely reject to the downside, because overall it is bearish, guys. It might do a wake up, feel this imbalance, and then rip down. Or it could rip up. I mean, man, this is toxic NASDAQ here. It's choppy as hell right now, I'll tell you that much. I'm glad I'm not in a trade. I would be like, what the hell's going on? Up, down, up, down, up, down. That's really annoying. It's going down. It's going up. It's going down. It's going up. Not good conditions. I'll tell you that much. All right. Let's see. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you. Thank you for watching. We're waiting to see what the market wants to do. If this thing decides it just wants to go sideways all day, well then it might not be a trade day. It's that simple. The opening range is currently about 120 points. So it's not such a big orb. Usually the orb has been more or less that every day. Man, I think one day it was like 200 something points, but that is the opening range for the NASDAQ. 119. That is how big the opening range is. All right, let's go. Let's go, NASDAQ. Figure it out, man. There is news at 10 a.m., but it's an orange folder. So that might be interesting. That might give it just enough of a push to see which direction it really wants to go in. So that might be interesting. Right now, it's looking very choppy, guys. It's chop fest. Let's see if it figures out what it wants to do. It looks like it wants to pump now. 1 second, I'm like, it's going tactical nuke. Then green giant, tactical nuke, green giant. You're like, what the hell is going on right now? Insane, insane. Okay. Now it's looking like a shooting star. But I need confirmation, guys. I need a lot of confirmation that this thing really wants to pump. We got to see how it reacts to VWAP if it gets up there. Because there could be a pretty strong reaction to the downside there. Or it could completely rip to the upside. I mean, now we have two things working against us on the upside. We have VWAP, we have EMA 200, and we have a pivot point. So it literally has to shatter through all of that. And then my concern there is if it does rip through all that, is it going to continue with a lot of strength to the upside, or is it going to do a pullback into orb and then flip back down again? I mean, could go either way, guys. Today's a little risky. ATR is 38. Let's see how it reacts. Let's just see what it tells us. Let's see what it tells us. Just trading the eval today because I just want to pass this damn eval, but it's the other accounts are obviously very profitable. Let's see. Okay, it is breaking out of the orb on ES. So that's interesting. That is interesting. I just hope it doesn't chop. If this breaks out here into the VWAP, just be very careful. Yeah, it's being rejected. Oh, it's being rejected hard. It rejected very strongly off VWAP there. Complete push down. Looks like a lot of sell orders were pushed. Let's see. Interesting. Let's see if there's more buyers or sellers. No break. It wicked out of the orb, but it did not close outside the orb. So if there's no close outside of orb, it didn't really break out. It just wicked out. All right, guys. If you're just tuning in, thank you for tuning in. This is the opening range of the New York Open, the 15-minute opening range. We're waiting for a breakout and possibly a retest. If it closes up here strongly green, then yes, we'll take another longy. This is confirming that it wants to go higher. Now my concern is the 1 hour VWAP is right up there. So I don't like taking longs into VWAP, but you know, depends on the strength. ATR is currently at 40. ATR, oh, okay. Now it definitely tapped VWAP. Let's see how it reacts here. And it's breaking out. It's breaking out. Oh, it's a green giant. Uh-oh. Is it going to do the same thing it did yesterday or what? I know, crazy, right? Look at that. 1 second you think it's going down, the next second it goes psych. We're going up. From going down trend to pop up. I'll tell you what, guys. If it closes above here, could be looking for a long. Let's see what happens. Let's see how much strength it got. It already broke out of ES. ES, it broke out on the previous candle. So this candle here closed up here on ES, on outside of the orb. So not a great confluence here there, but I know, and sometimes it's not picture perfect. Let's see what happens. And it is breaking out on the 15-minute time frame to the upside. So we got about 3 minutes, almost less than 2 minutes. I'm sorry, less than 3 minutes before this candle closes. So let's just keep an eye on it. We do have an orange folder at 10 a.m. I'm not really too concerned about it. Hopefully it doesn't move too much. That is the opening of the 1 hour candle, of course, too. So, you know, we could get a crazy ass pump and be done for the day. How about that? Or a crazy dump and be cooked for the day. That is part of trading, taking that risk. There is a lot of gaps here. Lots of gaps. As you can see, it wants to fill those. So, you know, it's another confluence that it might want to fill those gaps. But yeah, this is, if it closes above VWAP, I mean, it's a good indication. It just tapped EMA 200 and completely got pushed. This could be, hopefully it's not choppy. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't run without us either. Get ready, guys. I am looking for the long. I am looking for the long if this breaks out here. Let's see. Let's see if I can handle the... Maybe it comes down and retest the orb. I don't know. Let's see what happens. It did tap VWAP on the 1 hour. It's in a tricky spot, guys. This could go either way. Make sure you guys risk accordingly, all right? It's not financial advice. You guys don't have to trade either. If you don't like it, you know? But oof, back into orb? No way. That's not good, guys. That's not good. I needed to close above VWAP for me to take the long. I needed to close like up here. That rejection there is not pretty. Yeah. If it doesn't break out, I'm not taking it. That is not good. That is not good. All right. Well, that took away what I thought it was going to happen. We're going to wait. We're going to stay patient and wait. Let's see. That was a pretty big push down. Okay. We got that orange folder news coming out now. Let's see how it moves. Let's see how this shit moves. It could rip. It could go. There it goes. Woo! To the downside. Yeah. All right. How many points was that? If I let's say I would have taken that long, I would probably be cooked right now, to be honest. Maybe. Let's see how big that was down. 40 points. 40 points to the downside. I know it looks like a little candle. My stop loss is usually at 50 points, so 10 points within getting stopped out. Because I would have taken, if I would have taken a long, which I didn't, would have been almost 40 points into stop. So let's see. This candle is going to decide what's going to happen here. If this candle pumps above VWAP, then we'll look for the long. But, you know, gotta stay patient. Stay patient, guys. I'm looking for the best move. Patient pays most of the time. All right. Let's see. Uh-oh. That was just a little sweep. It might want to close higher now. Oh, shit. Please don't go that high without us. Oh, Lord. So, that long would probably be working out right now. It didn't stop it. It wouldn't have stopped me out. I would have been like 10 points within. ATR is at 41. Oh, man. But yeah, I mean, I don't take longs into VWAP. I need to see it above VWAP before I take that long. It is struggling like hell for now. I really do think a green giant is coming, guys. I really do think a green giant is coming.
Green giant.
It's coming. It's just a bit. It gives us a chance to get in before it rips to the upside. I want it to just close right about here, and I'll take a long. And if it wants to come down and take me out, then hey, it is what it is, guys. But you know, all this is showing pretty bullish momentum here. The only thing that's worrying me is this damn VWAP and the damn pivot point. But we need to get. Come on, 2 minutes. Hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there, please. Hang in there. Don't rip without us. Don't do it. Don't do it. Should I get in early? Should I get in early? I don't usually do this.
Order filled.
I'm getting in early. I'm getting in early just because it's an eval, to be honest. I think it really wants to pump and fill this right here, guys. I just don't want to miss the move. I know I usually wait for the candle to close, but yeah, look at this shit. I'm up 300 already. Oh, Lord. I didn't want... You see? That's why I got in, guys. I didn't want to miss the move. There we go. 500. There we go. Let's close 5. Right here. We're going to sell 5. Oh, not 15. 5. What the hell happened?
Order submitted.
Oh, okay. Bro, why is this so laggy?
Order filled.
What in the world, man? This is so laggy. My system is tripping. It's completely tripping, man. Why is it doing this shit? I'm just gonna close it because I don't like this shit. Here we go again. Here we go again. This shit is not filling the orders again. Not this time. I got you on this side. It is tripping again. I got it open over here. Where is it? Why is this so laggy, dude? That is crazy. I don't know what to tell you. It's just always doing this shit. Come on, open up.
Order canceled.
What? Look at this shit.
Order filled.
What the hell is going on, bro? Yo, this shit is whack. Yo, I think it's this new Lucid account, dude. It's like tripping on my ass. I don't know what to tell you. All right, so let's see what happens. Overall, guys, 359 on the damn Lucid account. Yeah. Shit, dude. Why does it keep doing that? That's so annoying. Yo, my Ninja Trader is tripping. It doesn't fill the orders. Like, I don't know, man. So difficult to trade when shit doesn't work the way you want it to work. Uh oh, it's Trade of Eight. Is it Trade of Eight? Lauren, or is it me? Trade of It is tripping. I think people are making way too much money, bro. Well, I'm glad I closed it out. I was able to close it out because this shit is going straight to my stop loss. If I had one, if I had one now, I would have been cooked. Because I moved it to break even, but then it wouldn't move the stop loss to break even. So I just had to close it there. No other people are having issues. Oh, no. Other people are having issues too. Okay, sorry. You got to put commas, man. Like, if I read it in one sentence. No, I'm messing with you. Um, yeah, okay. I thought it was just me. But yeah, Ninja Trader is completely slow, man. I don't know what it is, but Ninja Trader, every time, I thought it was just the prop firm itself, but apparently it's the. But good thing, I had that situation happen to me yesterday, and I had it up on this screen, so all I had to do was hit cancel on this screen, and obviously you saw it cancel on this screen here. Yeah, yeah. So if you guys took that long with me, let's see. The original, I sold 5 right here, and then it came down and hit the break even. Um, let's see. It was pretty quick, guys. I kind of rolled into it. I was looking for it to fill this gap right here on the 1 hour, and it did that, but it didn't continue. I thought it would maybe go to this one, but not yet. Now it's doing a pullback, retesting orb probably, and VWAP, and then maybe come up to like here and then rip back up. So I took a long right here, and I did 30 points, give or take. And then, shit. And then it hit my break even like at 5 points. So that was the trade for today so far. Did you guys get that trade? Did you guys take a trade? Did you guys win? Or did you guys get cooked? Let me know in the chat. I hope you guys took it. I hope your Tradeovate's working. If you use Tradeovate. Or Ninja Trader, whatever it is you use. Yeah, man, this shit is acting crazy. Let me make sure I cancel everything. Make sure I don't have any damn orders. Okay, perfect. So I had this little feature. That's why I couldn't close it immediately. Is because when you hit cancel, at least on Tradeovate, I had the little thing that says, "Are you sure? Are you sure? Yes or no?" I usually take that little prompt off because when I hit cancel, bro, you better freaking cancel that shit. All right, I think another long opportunity is coming here. I want to get the remaining of my freaking 5 points. I'm sorry, of my 5 micros because I sold 5 up here. If this thing closes strong to the upside, then let's see what happens, guys. Let's just see what happens. That was a pretty strong rejection to the bottom of orb, but if I see this pop up, if I see it pop up about here, looks like another long opportunity. It just retested VWAP, but I needed to see a strong bullish reaction to take a long. If it reverses and comes lower, then this is a beginning of a pullback, so don't want to get squeezed on a short. So we just got to stay patient, guys, if you didn't take that trade. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. As you can see, I took a little trade and made $359 on the evaluation. If you guys took that long with me, you definitely won some money. Now, if you didn't move to break even, you probably got cooked after, and I'm really sorry about that. Or if you couldn't close your order, you got cooked. Because, yeah, this is where my, let's do a little, this is where my entry was, and it came down to, yeah, 20, well, actually, no, it's still be in the trade. I have a stop loss usually right about here. 50 points, let's say. So my stop loss is about here. Entry would have been about here. So I'll still be alive if I was in this trade still. Because the ATR is at 46. So yeah, the average trading range is still under my stop loss points of 50 points. But it's very close, guys. Very close, and it's possible this thing can continue coming down, and it probably wreck the stop loss if I was still in it. And there it goes. It just completely reversed. Something wrong? What was wrong is that my account was not moving the orders. It was not moving the stop loss. When I went to move the stop loss, if you see it turns orange when I take a trade, that means that that order is still processing. So that it wasn't moving the order, and I couldn't close it there for a second. But yeah, I'm going to stay patient. See right there, it probably would have hit my stop loss. Yeah, it looks like it would have hit the stop loss if I didn't move to break even after taking 5 points off. So yeah, it would have been a loss trade. So in trading, guys, you got to react quick to what's happening, especially if we're looking at 5-minute time frames. And this is exactly why, because the market could change in literally seconds. 1 second is pumping, the next second it's dumping. And that's just the way it goes. Yeah, but I don't know what's going on with my Ninja Trader, man. It's really getting annoying. I hope they figure this shit out. I hope they figure this shit out soon. You lost the trade, bro? I'm sorry, man. Yeah, I guess this retest was too big. We'll wait for another one. I'm looking for another one. I just want to get 5 more, not 5 more points. I just want to try to get, I don't know, like another 50 points maybe. Let's see. Oh, sorry, man. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It was tough because you see, they had the VWAP here. If VWAP was under and this broke out at way above VWAP, it would have been a better. But this shit just completely filled the gap and then said, "Nah, I'm coming right back down." It's super choppy. It's a freaking chop fest, guys. Trust me, you're not the only one losing this trade. I could have lost it easily. If I didn't move to break even, I would have lost on that too. I'd probably be at 0 or maybe negative 100. So let's see. It is 10:15, still early. We're looking for a pop to the upside. I want to see this shit turn into a green giant and close up here. Are you going to give us that confirmation? Please. Please give me that confirmation. That would be phenomenal. Oh, no. What do you mean? On Tuesday. What happened on Tuesday? I don't remember what happened Tuesday. What happened Tuesday? So we're on Thursday. We took a trade on. Yeah. I think Tuesday was a loss. Oh yeah. So what I recommend, so this is what I'm doing, guys. I have a Trade of 8 because Trade of 8 is the same company as Ninja Trader. Instead of having just a Ninja Trader platform open, I also have Trade of 8 open. So when you go to your prop firm, if it says open Trade of 8, use your credentials for your prop firm in that Trade of 8 login, your username and password. It's going to log you in into that account. And so God forbid you're trying to cancel on Ninja Trader, you have that browser open, you could just hit exit cancel all orders on Trade of 8 and it should shut it down because it is connected directly to the internet. I don't know, it's just a little different system. But yeah, it's good to have that as a backup. That's the only reason I closed the orders out yesterday that made me 60,000, because if not, I would have been cooked. I couldn't close the orders. I couldn't close the orders on Ninja Trader. So just a little advice there on what possibly to do. This shit looks like it's pumping. If this shit chops right back down, and it is what it is, guys, but this looks like it wants to go higher. It just needs to close above the damn pivot point here. This is looking very bullish. We got about 2 minutes, and I'm probably going to try a long again. This was a nice little break and retest here. Rejection off the EMAs. Back to the upside. Might want to come for this gap now. So let's stay patient. Let's see how this closes. We got 2 minutes. Oh, no. Complete rejection. Oh my God, man. This shit is crazy. 1 second, it looks like it's going to pump. The next second, it's ripping down. Wow. Okay. NASDAQ is playing around with people today. It is playing around. I don't know. Yeah, I don't feel confident about that wick. That's just a very wick. Very wicky. Very undecided. Oof. No. We're not taking it long here. Nope. Not until this thing closes above here. If it does turn green and does get right back up there, then maybe, but that is looking very weak. Oh man, what a push down. It is really, they're making it very difficult. ATR is at 46, guys. ATR is at 46. We took a trade earlier, made 359. I don't really need to take another trade, but I'm doing it for you guys because that was such a quick trade breakout right there. I didn't wait for the candle to close, because if I would have got cooked. So I was seeing it here and I saw that it might want to fill this, and that's what I caught there. Yeah, I'm not taking this. Not yet. It's looking very undecided. We're gonna wait a little bit. Gonna wait here. It is struggling with the VWAP. They're buying and selling at the VWAP a lot, and the VWAP is this purple line, in case you guys are wondering. The purple line is where institutions and banks buy and sell orders. So it is kind of like chopping around here. People are buying and selling it. You see it. It went all the way up here and completely got sold off and came right back down to VWAP. So people just bought, sold it here, came back to price. It's coming back up again. But before it breaks out of this little range it's doing, we need to see a pretty strong bullish reaction. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's struggling between the pivot point. There's a pivot point right here. There's an EMA 200, and we got freaking VWAP right here, EMA 50 right here, and EMA 21. It's literally just just bouncing and having a, it's kind of having a little heart attack right here until it breaks out of this little range to upside or the downside. Let's just stay patient, guys. Let's just stay patient. See, it looks like it's going right back into orb again. It's not completely breaking out. That's why I didn't take the long, because I didn't see it break out. Oh, look at this. Oh, complete hammer now. We are under VWAP. It is dumping. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What does that mean? What does that mean?
Tactical nuke incoming!
Or is it... Or is it chopped? It's hard to trade this, guys. It is super choppy right now. It might not, you know what? There might not be another trade, guys, and I'm sorry. Sometimes you just got to take the loss on the chin, guys. Because if you're going to just trade in bad conditions, it could go from bad to worse, you know? Look at this. Pump, dump, dump, pump, pump, dump. What? It's going sideways, guys. This is where price has been since 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning, price has been going right here. Right here. This little freaking range since 6 a.m. It has not moved. Complete consolidation. Complete chop. This is the definition of chop. And at one point, it will break out. It will break out. But I don't know if I'll wait here that long to see the breakout, to be honest. Let's see. Let me take off all these little rulers here that I was measuring. This is the opening range. 119 points is the opening range, 15-minute opening range. It did tap London lows here. Did do like a little pump to the upside. Very wicky. But yeah, it's kind of choppy, guys. It's just very kind of choppy. Nobody could tell me it's not choppy right now. Look at this. This is 1 hour since 6 a.m. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 is going to close in about 35 minutes. This candle will close. This is the 1 hour time frame, obviously. Okay, it now looks like it wants to be a shooting star on the 5 minute. Is it gonna close? Again, it has to close up here, guys, for me to really look for that long. It's difficult. And then it could completely come down, but I don't really think it wants to come down again, but anything is possible. Okay. If it closes up here, no, it's not gonna do it. It's not doing it. Nah. Nope. And it could rip to the upside now. It's just not giving me the confirmation I want. I want it to close above here. And I want it to close above here. And every time it fails to go higher on the previous candle's high, showing weakness. But the market really does whatever it wants, man. The market just does what it wants. Let's see what it does. I mean, there's this imbalance here still, you know. It could do what it tried to do here, and meanwhile, instead of waiting for the candle to close, it just ripped, filled it, and just came right back down. I'm gonna have my damn finger on the trigger over here, bro. In case this shit wants to act froggy again. I will close that shit on this screen. Not gonna play with me. You tried to get me yesterday. Reverse. Reverse, buddy. Reverse. How about them apples, huh? Look at that. And that's why I didn't take that long. I needed that confirmation up here, not here. Even though this was a bullish pin bar, it's still bouncing under that pivot point. What is pivot points? Pivot points are areas of resistance or support. Right now, that is a clear resistance point. We needed to break out of that to get a full breakout to the upside. Because right now it's acting as resistance. Once it breaks out of that, then we could go long. But until it does that, we gotta wait. Look at this freaking chop fest, bro. Yeah, maybe there isn't a trade. Maybe there isn't another trade. What are you gonna do? Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Straight back down. What a disaster this is, man. It's gonna figure it out. But how long will it take to figure it out? I don't want to be here all day. You guys don't have to be here all day. If you guys don't see, you don't like the conditions. ATR is at 48. It's very close to my area of not trading. I already made 359, which I'm very happy with. But yeah, I want to see a breakout out of here, either to the downside or to the upside. Let's see if it goes for the daily low here or what. Daily low is right here. This is the next pivot point, which would be a support pivot. So gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Wow. Faked everybody out on that bullish pin bar there. Whoever took a long there. You gotta look at the indicators. Yes, it is above VWAP, but there's EMA 200 right here, and it failed to make a higher high off the previous candle, and it continues to get pushed, or it doesn't break the damn pivot point. The pivot point is at 25,916. That is an indicator I have on NinjaTrader. Pivot points are calculated differently every single session. It calculates where price hangs around. Like it does like some crazy ass math that I am not good at. And thank God for computers to calculate that math. That's why trading is so much easier nowadays, because we have computers to do a lot of the math for us. A lot of the math, which gives us a better insight into which way the market wants to move. Yeah, this thing looks like it wants to dump. I don't think it wants to go any higher. I think it wants to dump now, guys. It just closed strongly through all the EMAs. Now, if this candle closes to the downside too, this might be a hammer. It might be a straight red candle. 1 hour time frame closes in 29 minutes. Obviously, it is not. It is 10:30. But it's super choppy, man. Look at this freaking chop. It's super choppy. Super chop. This shit is just going sideways. It's been going sideways since 6 a.m. Eventually it has to break out either to the downside or the upside, right? Eventually. Maybe it's waiting for Trump to speak. That's a possibility. Sometimes the market just consolidates because he might be giving out some information that will push it up or down. Or the market is waiting for the news for PMI tomorrow. So the market just, look at this shit, right back up. This shit is just fucking ranging, man. Right back up. Wow. What a disaster. Insanity. Insanity. I appreciate all of you guys tuning in. Thank you. Thank you for viewing. Thank you. Wow. Complete rejection of that red candle. What a chop fest, man. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Anybody who went short on that candle right there just got completely wrecked. Insanity, man. That's why we gotta wait for that confirmation. Let's see. Ruler. Let's see. You would have gone short here, let's say. And 51 points. Wrecked. And notice that there's no top wick on this. That means it didn't even give it a chance to go up. So I might want to make a top wick here on the green candle. Might completely reject that candle. We'll see. If it closes up here, that's looking like a long. It's looking like a long. Let's do, you know what? Since it's so crazy right now, I'm gonna do two micros on the eval, and let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Hopefully this shit doesn't go haywire on my ass, because I will freaking just close all the damn orders. Okay. Engulfing candle on the 5-minute. Is it gonna stay there, or is it gonna come right back down? Is it gonna break through that pivot point? I'm gonna risk 200 bucks out of the $359 that I made. So if I do hit it, we'll finish at 500 bucks. Give or take. Let's see, depending on how the trade goes. This shit is wild. ATR is at 49, guys. Don't play, guys. Don't play. Let me put that there. Okay. If it closes up here, come on, close up here. Close up here. We're taking a long. I'm taking a long. You don't have to take it, but I'm taking it. Let's just wait. Guys. Let's see. What a green giant. Oh, Lord. Don't run without us. Don't do it. Hang on. We got a minute. Hang on. We got one more minute. If it wants to chop us out, it chops us out, and, you know, that'll be done for the day. But it looks like it finally wants to break out. Come on. That was a complete rejection of the downside. Complete engulf. Breaking above the pivot point that I wanted. Breaking all the EMAs. Breaking out of orb. 30 seconds. It's about to close. It looks like it wants to pump. It looks like a green giant. Is it a green giant?
Green giant.
Yes, it is. If this thing completely comes down, then it's a chop fest. But I think it wants to pump. Here it is. Don't go crazy on me again, Ninja Trader, please. Don't do it.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. 2 micros. Here we go. Rip to the upside, baby. Let's go. Give me my easy 240 bucks there. I don't know about easy. Sorry, I don't mean easy. But I think you do want to go higher. You know how I know that? Nah, I don't know nothing. Clearly. Whoa. I don't know nothing. I'm sorry. ATR is at 52. Oh, shit. That usually doesn't work out in my favor. If it comes down, this is a complete chop fest, guys. Holy shit. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Risking 200 bucks. If we lose the 200 bucks, then we're done for the day on this damn eval. It's a chop fest. Oh my god. No way. No way. No way it closed that bullish and it doesn't want to go up. Come on, look. Let's hang the carrot right here. There's a little imbalance. There's an imbalance up here. NASDAQ. Come and feel it. Oh no. I'm getting cooked, guys. It's a chop fest. It's a chop fest. Oh no. Oh no, I can't handle the swings. ATR's at 52. ATR's at 52, yeah. Oh my god. Ain't nobody trading this shit. Wow. I don't know if I can handle the swing here, guys. Should I risk more? Should I risk the whole 200 bucks? The 300 bucks that I made? Let's see. Wait. What would this be here? Ooh, that's all of it. I'm going to move it there. I'm going to risk the whole 350 that I made because we need to be able to handle these damn swings. But we're also going to move this up. So we're going to move this up to right about here, 992. Oh, actually, I'm already there. Let's do this. We're going to sell one right here. I don't even know if I'll survive this swing. I might get cooked. Sell one.
Order submitted.
Hey, that one worked. And we're going to move this one, let's say up here. All right. Fair enough. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We'll leave a little baby runner. If we get cooked, it'll just be a break-even day. And it's an eval. So I have to do that just because ATR is 52, guys. I don't have enough wiggle room for the freaking fluctuations. But I really do have strong feelings it wants to go up here. Look at all these imbalances. It hasn't filled this. It keeps popping up. This was a shooting star here. This is a big green candle. This was a engulfing green candle. It closed above all the EMAs. It is kind of choppy, obviously, but it's been in this damn range for freaking since 6 a.m. Like, come on, let's get out of here already. Let's see what happens. Sometimes you gotta risk it a bit for the biscuit. Let's see. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. Oh. All right, we're just going to relax and watch the trade play out. Let's see it play out, guys. I'll pull this up so you guys can see that part too. Right here. You should see it move up and down. Or get cooked. Let's see. Come on, let's get a green giant. Let's get a green giant. Let's get it. If it goes all the way down, it's just a chop fest, which it's been a chop fest, so probabilities are not great. And ATR is at 52. This candle is showing weakness. Okay. Come on, let's get a pump-a-rooney here. Let's get the pump now. Don't dump. ATR went from 53 to 51, so it's... Oh. Wow. Wow. What a mess. Very wiki, guys. Very, very wiki. Let's see. Let's just stay. Understand your risk on the table, guys. That's all you got to do is just understand the risk on the table. Be okay with the loss if it happens. Nothing else. Nothing else you could do. Let's see what happens. I think it's going up. Why do I think it's going up? A super bullish candle right here. Very engulfing candle. Kind of broke to the upside above the pivot and to the upside. Yeah. So this could be a little pullback. The issue is ATR is at 51. So why move my stop under the bottom of this candle? If it goes under this candle, it completely invalidates the long. Why I put my stop there? Is it a big ass stop? Yeah. But then again, you know, we're shooting for 460 and 348. I'm gonna take a partial order here and leave a runner. We'll leave a runner. We're already green on the account, so I mean, and once it hits this, I'll just move to break even, guys. Once it hits this partial, we'll move to break even, so we have no more risk on the table. And if it wants to come down and hit the break even again, then you know, it is what it is. Okay. Can you take me higher? Come on. Get up there. Hang in there. Hang in there. Let's go. Let's go. I need to pass this eval, man. I hit 10K on it yesterday. I overshot it. Overshot it by mistake. It was an accident. It was a technical error. What a chop, man. This is completely throttled. Sideways. Sideways action. Come on. How are you going to do a pump like that to the upside? I take the long and then completely run out of gas. Let's go. That was a lot of volume in that green candle too. So a lot of volume. Yeah, it's looking weak, man. It's super weak. No continuation on anything. Looks like it just wants to stop people out today. Let's see. Oh, the struggle is real. Yeah, I'll switch up the song. Let's switch up the song. Sorry, I couldn't hear anything. Yeah, looks like it's dumping. It's chopped. it's pure chop right now. So hopefully I can withstand the chop. ATR is at 50. I have my stop about 100 points. So hopefully it can withstand the drop or the fluctuations here before it rips to the upside, which I have a strong feeling it will. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out and then rip to the upside. Let's see what happens, guys. It's still deciding what it wants to do. This kind of looks like a bull flag, right? You guys study patterns. This looks like a bull flag right here. Little red, down, then a pump. Kind of a bull flag. Yeah, I'll have to study patterns, man. Study patterns, study tick size, understand points, understand candle theory, understand breakouts, understand even ICT concepts, smart money concepts. If you learn all of that and then you create your own thing that works for you, you do your back testing, you test it, make sure it works over a span of a few years. You see it works, just stick to that and just take that trade and follow your rules, and you become profitable. And that's the key. That is the key, guys. The problem is people are very emotional and they don't risk manage properly. Then they want to get it all back. You can't do that. You just got to understand that sometimes you're wrong. Sometimes you're just going to be wrong. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, please, and subscribe if you haven't already, so I can continue growing this channel and educating you guys. I am live again tomorrow, 9 a.m., in case you guys are wondering. This thing is just playing with my emotions right now. It's literally going sideways. It's going sideways. This is a doji. A doji is indecision. And with a little pop up here, and now it's just playing around. It could rip down, take me out, and then rip to the upside, or completely rush down. I don't know. At this point, nobody knows. Nobody knows. This thing doesn't know what to do. It's waiting for some sort of news, maybe. It's waiting for news. Very, very undecided today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure, if you have any questions, make sure to write in the chat. Make sure to write in the chat. Let's see, let's see, let's see. This thing is just going sideways. Am I going to be stuck in chop until 12 o'clock or what? What's going to happen? Can we get a pump? Can we get one of those? Wait, can we get a bounce? Boink? Oh, man. Let's go, man. I literally entered the trade. It's like, nah, we're just going to keep moving sideways here. Oh, man. Or is it just going to completely come down and destroy me?
Fatality.
Let's see. Let's see. It is tapping VWAP right now. So hopefully VWAP could push it up. There's a bunch of buyers at VWAP and it just rips to the upside here. Or it's going to sell off and completely murder the profits that I'm willing to lose. Oh no.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
It went from up here all the way down here, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Complete dumperoonie. Yeah, man, it's a chop. It's a chop fest. This shit went from being bullish to completely undecided again. Yeah, it's not good. Yep, it's looking rough. It's looking rough.
He needs some milk.
Oh no. There go all the profits. I could put a little sell order right here so I could stay just like $1 green.
Order submitted.
If it taps that, we might be cooked, yeah. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh my goodness, it's so close. Next candle opens in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. They got us. They got us. They're trying to. Let's see. It's got really close there for a second. It got really close there. Oh man. You know, it's fun if you lose 200-300 bucks. It doesn't matter when you just made 10K yesterday on that account. It's pennies, man. It's pennies. It's kind of like it feels like you're kind of trading with like no worries, really. If it happens, whatever, it didn't work out. That's a trade I would take, but it didn't want to break out of this range here, obviously. It's still playing around in this range. We'll see. Uh-oh.
Finish him.
It looks like it's coming down to finish me for sure. Oh no. Oh man. Yeah, I think it's coming for that stop. It's coming for that stop. Yeah, it's turning into a hammer on the freaking 1 hour here. This will be the last trade, guys, because if I take another trade, I don't want to take this chop fest here. But it was fun. It was entertaining. I mean, it was a good long. It closed above the levels I wanted. It's just a chop fest, guys. It's a complete chop fest. Look at this shit. It's been going sideways since 6 a.m. Yeah, I thought I would maybe want to fill this shit up here. Nah, I wanted oh my god. How close was it to my damn stop? Like 3 ticks? Wow. If this shit goes all the way up, that'd be some crazy shit. 3 ticks away. Yeah, I think I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked. Let's see. Uh-oh. This is going to be the move. Is it going to pop up or is it going to dump? Oh my goodness. There it goes. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Green Giant.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Green Giant.
No, 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 no. No. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Keep pumping.
Green Giant.
Let's go. I know you like that sound.
Green Giant.
Let's go. Right back to the upside, guys. Right back up. This is called Chop Fest. This is anybody who's like, oh, I'm going to take this short now. Oh, really? Sure you can. Is that the... Do I have... I think I have that sound or something like that. Street Fighter. Where are you, Street Fighter? I don't even know. Oh my God, look
Green Giant.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Green Giant.
I got this. I got this. I got this.
Yeah, I think I got this or what?
Green Giant.
Let's go. Come on. Get up here now. Look how close it was to hitting the second stop I put. Oh my God. Insane. Insane. Oh my God. You know what?
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
No. Oh no, it took you out? Oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Yeah, you gotta have a big stop loss because ATR was at 50 something. So what I'm doing is now when ATR is at 50 or higher, I am moving my stop loss to at least 100 points to give it enough wiggle room to really figure out which way the trade wants to go. I've learned with ATR being that high, usually a 50-point stop loss is just not going to cut it, guys. I'm really sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is it going to pump? Is it going to pump or is it going to dump? Guys, look how close that shit got to my freaking stop. This is the first stop. The second stop is the hard stop. So if you got stopped out, I'm so sorry.
Emotional damage.
I mean, I can still get stopped out. I'm not in the clear yet. Unless the thing rips to the moon, I'm still in danger. Don't get me wrong. I need this thing to pump. I need it to pump, guys. I need it to completely engulf this damn red candle right here. From what I'm looking at on the 15-minute time frame, it might want to turn into a bullish pin bar. But it is struggling in this zone, man. It is struggling. So let's see what happens. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get a bounce. Let's go.
Green Giant. Green Giant.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. I hope the pivot doesn't push it down because it looks like now it's having resistance at the damn pivot point. Oh.
Let him cook.
Come on. Come on.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
I'm going to tell you what. I'm going to do this just because. If it wants to come down here again, I want to be out of that trade. If it comes down past this damn wick to create a lower low, I want to be out. That's my first stop and then my final stop there. That's how I feel about it. That's how I feel about it. And it could come down on the next candle and just chop, guys. But I just don't want to be in that bullshit. All right, let's go. Come on, let's get a pumperoonie here, please. Please.
Green Giant.
Don't come back down, man. Don't do that shit. Stop chopping. Stop chopping. Get out of this range. Stop chopping around. It's just playing at the freaking VWAP, man. It is just chopping here. Come on.
Bruh.
It's playing with me, man. It's just playing with me. Is this stream gonna take like until market close or what? There we go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Don't be scared of my entry, man. Every time this turns into like a line of resistance here, where it just taps it and comes right back down. Taps it, comes right back down. It's crazy. Every time it taps that. Every time it taps it, it's like pop, 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 pop. There it goes. There it goes. Mother trucker. Yeah, now it just goes sideways all day. Now it's gonna go sideways. Oh, oh man. Let's go. Let's go, please. Oh, this is the only Street Fighter sound effect that I have.
Perfect.
That's when you literally beat the other one to pulp, and it's like a flawless victory. Oh my god! Listen, this is the line of resistance. My entry is the line of resistance. Forget about the pivot point, guys. My entry is the pivot point. It pivots to the downside every time it touches it. Lord help us. So, man. Let's see. Let's see what happens. This is the new 1 hour candle. So let's see if it could just pump right here. Fill this little, somebody dangle this carrot. Somebody come dangle this damn carrot right here so this shit could fill it. Don't come down again. I'm out if this shit comes all the way down here, I'm out. I'm at least on one contract, on one micro. Cause look at this bullshit. Look at this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just complete sideways. No momentum, no direction whatsoever. What a shit show. Look at this shit show.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh, man. What a disaster. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Man, I hate these chop days, to be honest. Yeah. Yep. Not looking too good, man. It is not looking good. It looks like it wants to hit at least that first stop. It looks like it wants to hit that first stop. Look at this bullshit. Look at this barcode action right here. Me, up, engulfing, straight back down. Guys, if you just do the opposite of what I say, you might do better. To be honest, just today. Oh my goodness. What a shit show. What a shit show. This is what I feel like this shit is today.
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it!
That's literally what's happening. So let's say you go short here, killed. You go long here, dead. Yeah, you go short here, killed. You go long here, and I'm still kind of alive because I have a big stop loss. But I think it's hunting it. I think it's hunting that damn stop. Oh, man. Can we get a nice little bounce? Let's go. Come on. Let's go barcode action here. Will I survive? Stay tuned and see what happens here. I appreciate everybody for tuning in and watching. You're going to get out at break even? Hey. Okay. You got to protect that mental capital, man. You got to protect that mental capital. If it gets to break even. But understand, sometimes it just won't get back there. Understand, if you take the loss, accept that too. Sometimes it just doesn't get back to break even. Yeah, look at this bullshit, man. What a barcode. Oh, no. Not looking good.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh, it's getting close.
Finish him!
It's getting close, guys. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think I'm cooked now. Yeah, I think I'm cooked. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. There's a lot of speed there. Yeah, it's a wrap. And that's the first stop. Okay.
Order filled.
One shot. It's going for the second shot. It's going for the second shot. Oh, Lord. There goes all the good trade that I took on the eval. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, it's a wrap. Oh, my God. It didn't tap it? No way. No way. No way. It didn't tap? I'm surprised. No way. That's crazy. It didn't tap it? It didn't tap that low there? It's definitely going to come down to tap it, though. It definitely wants to come down to tap that shit. If that shit rips all the way up to the upside now, like, insanity. That would be insanity, to be honest. That'd be some shit. That is some crazy shit. How close is that? How close is that to hitting my... Nah, that shit has to hit it. No way it edged the stop loss like that. It's literally one tick away from tapping it, and it didn't hit it. No way. Nah, it's gonna come down. There's no way I'm that lucky. There's no way I'm that lucky. That's crazy.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait, wait.
Oh, man. Today has been fun, honestly. It's been fun. We're stuck with one micro left. It barely tapped the final stop loss, and now this shit is ripping to the upside. It just wanted to take out all these damn orders. Now this shit goes to the moon. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Yo, that's crazy. No way. I don't believe that shit will happen. And we're live.
Green Giant.
Can you imagine this shit? Oh my God. Where's this? Let's see. That's crazy. If this shit rips all the way up here, that's just wild. Just wild. I don't know what to tell you. I'm going to take this
Order
off.
canceled.
I'm going to take it off. I don't care. I'm taking that off. We're going to leave the target up here now. We got hit on the stop, and we only have one micro left. Is it going to pump, or is it going to dump now? What in the world? By like one tick.
Green Giant.
You think? Or you think it's going to come down and just take me out? It's going to do the...
Finish him!
That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Wow. It didn't tap it, Danny. It didn't tap it. Let's see. Yeah, today's price action? Fucking sideways, dude. What is today's price action? Look at this shit. It's freaking barcoding. What is this? What is this? Who, like, you have to do the exact opposite of what the previous candle does. Oh, it's going short? It's showing a, you know, a short, a bearish move here. Let's go long. Rah! Like, what is this shit, man? I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry you're down 180 bucks, but tomorrow's another day. Don't go on tilt. Don't do it. Stick to your rules. Understand today is just bad market conditions, man. Today is really bad market conditions. And the ATR is at 50, so the range, look at this bullshit. Look at this bullshit, bro. Right back down again after waking up. Insanity. Complete insanity. You're still in the trade, Danny? We're surviving by like the hair on our chin. For right now, we're surviving. I don't know what it wants to do, honestly. I'm completely dumbfounded. I have no idea. What I need is
Stop it. Get some help.
there is no direction here whatsoever. Can we put the entry sideways and the profit to the right? Why? Why not? Oh man. Yeah, this is how I feel after I took that trade.
1 hour later.
Yeah. More than 1 hour later, I think. What time did I take that trade at? 10:35? No, not. It hasn't been an hour yet, but it feels like it since the shit's been moving sideways. My goodness. This is crazy. This is just a fucking disaster right now. What does this market look like?
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Yeah. Brother, that's how it feels. This is just garbage. If it wins, great. But the torture I had to go through and the like, at this point, I'm going to say I just got lucky on this trade, really, if it works out, because it just didn't tap me out because of one tick. And then if it runs to the upside, because it wants to fill this imbalance here, and I happen to be in the long, phenomenal. You know what I mean? But wasn't a great trade. Wasn't a great trade. In these kind of conditions, should probably just not trade. Wait for tomorrow. This thing rips to the upside now. It's gonna be crazy. It's gotta break out of this range eventually, man. Like, it's gotta figure out. It doesn't have to do it now, but it could do it. This is, let me see the other time frames. I mean, I think now, if you're just patient enough and you're still in the trade, I think it'll get there. Maybe not. I don't know. New candle just opened. Let's see. See if this thing finally wants to pump. I mean, it is above the VWAP, so hopefully it could just get some distance away from VWAP so I could finally close this trade out. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's go. Come on.
Green Giants.
Turn into a bullish pin bar, please, and come fill this gap up here. Or maybe even this gap. Go to the swing high. 25,054. 25,054. That's actually where I put my damn TP. And now we have the auto trail kicking at 40 points, guys. All right, so we'll let it auto trail Let's see what happens. If it can freaking break my entry of resistance here. Let's see what happens.
Green giants, green giants, green giants, green giants.
Danny, if it's at your entry, I thought you were going to close it. What's going on? I thought you were going to close it. Don't lie to yourself. If you make a rule, follow it. All right, we're getting a bullish reaction here on the 1 hour time frame. Is this going to fill this imbalance up here? I have a strong feeling it is. Here we go. Let's see. It's finally going to get up. I've been in drawdown to the point where I lost 1 micro and almost got tapped out at the swing low. And it completely just ripped to the upside. And now it's getting rejected again off my entry point. I'm telling you, I'm holding the whole market down right now, guys. I'm holding the whole market down. This is hilarious. Come on, man. Stop playing around. Stop playing around and turn into the damn shooting star. Let's go. Let's go. Let's break out of here, please. Let's break out of here. You've been in here for a while already. Almost an hour. Wow, I just saw green. I just saw green for $1 for a moment. Can we get some more? Let's go. Finally. Finally. It's coming out of its shell. It's coming out of the long. Is the long finally going to come and play? Please. Please. Shooting star. Fill the imbalance, the fair value gap. Fill it. Fill the gap. Hey, we're in the green, guys. For now, we're in the green. We're back. Let's hope we don't get a rejection. Let's hope we don't get a rejection and it keeps popping up. Let's fill this imbalance. Maybe even this imbalance. That's where my TP is. All the way up here. Let's see what happens. I have the auto trail kicking at 40 points. So like around here, auto trail, around here, 40 points, more or less. It'll kick the auto trail. So it might break me. It might hit me at break even, guys. We'll see. We'll see.
Green giants.
Damn!
Green giants.
Let's go, guys. It's pumping. It's pumping. ATR's at 48. Let's see. Let's see if this thing can finally break to the upside. It already has, kind of. But let's see if we can get some sort of continuation, which is what we haven't had in the market since it opens, really. Look at this damn barcode action, guys. Some damn continuation. It is turning into a bullish pin bar. I'm looking for it to fill at least this damn gap. Once it hits 40 points, my auto trail will kick in. Once it hits 40 points. Let's see.
I got this. I got this. I got this. I got this.
Let's see. Let's see. If it goes straight right back down, then we're cooked. Oh, as soon as I say it. As soon as I say it, it's like, oh yeah, okay, red for you. Here you go. You thought you had me. You thought you had me?
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
We up now. Yeah, barely, but we're up. Now you move to break even? Oh, you're playing with you're playing it too safe. You're playing it too safe, Danny. Put a little risk on the table, man. No, I'm kidding. You do what makes you feel better, man. I'm messing with you. It could come straight down and take me out, and then, I should have moved to break even like you. So, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Does this thing finally want to break to the upside? I think it does. Let's hope it wants to. I mean, it's just been struggling everywhere. Yeah, I barely survived the swing. I mean, I lost one contract because it wanted to take that first stop, and then my second stop was just hanging there by a thread. It survived by a thread, guys. You guys want to see how close it came to my stop? It looks like from here, it looks like it tapped it. But if you zoom out, look at this. Look at this. Look how close it came to my stop loss, guys. Literally 3 ticks. 3 ticks from my damn stop loss. And it's not continuing. Let's see if it finally wants to pump up here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Come on. Let's get some power up. And let's jump. Come on.
Green Giant.
Let's go. Get up there. We need more mushrooms. We need more mushrooms. Come on. Hey, congrats, buddy. Congrats. I'm glad. Yeah, this is looking, I don't know, man. I don't know. You think this shit's gonna come right back down again? That sucks if it does. I'll tell you that. That would suck. Lost 33, but that's nothing, man. That's a break even. That's a break even trade. Negative 33 bucks. You got that. All right. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Finally get up there. Let's go. Don't start coming down now. Don't start now. Don't start. There it goes. There it goes with the bullshit. There it goes again. There it goes again. Back in the red. Yeah. I mean, you have to understand risk, man. You have to understand your risk on the table and be okay with it. That's the key. Because you got lucky. You got lucky it popped right back up. And now this thing could go straight back down, hit my stop. It literally could. Let's see what happens. It just completely ran out of fuel here. It didn't want to fill it. Yeah, we're back in there. We're back back in the range again. Oh my God. At this point, I think I'm just gonna do this. I don't want to stay in this damn range. And you know, it should have probably taken me out already, but I'm gonna move my stop to here, and if it takes me out, whatever. I think we're still green, even if it takes me out like 30 bucks or something. Cause I'm tired. I'm tired. I want to be here until 4 o'clock watching this shit. Let's see. Let's see if it freaking wants a jump or what, guys. Come on. Power up. Go to the upside. Don't go lower. Yeah, if this thing just wants to go down again, then yeah, for sure. I definitely just don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be here. No, man. What a struggle today compared to yesterday, which was a beautiful, beautiful pump to the moon. Look at today's trade. Completely sideways, guys. Completely sideways. What a disaster. Compared to yesterday.
Finish him!
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Look at this. Just look at this bullshit, man. Wow. Wow. Don't tell me it's gonna edge. It's gonna edge. No way. Don't tell me it's gonna edge this damn stop again. Yo, you're playing with me.
Emotional damage!
Oh my goodness. No way. No way it goes all the way down there and doesn't take me out again. Oh, Lord.
Emotional damage!
Yeah, that's an evil laugh. An evil laugh. Yo, this is crazy. If it doesn't take me out, that's crazy. That is crazy. Well, it's so close.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait, wait.
And it's a wrap. For sure. It's a wrap. There's no way I don't get tapped out. There's no way. There's no way. I don't believe it. There's no way. There's no way it's going to happen now when this candle opens. There it is. Oh. No way. If this shit rips all the way back up again. No way. No way. I don't believe it. No, it has to tap it, bro. There's no way. There's no way. Wow. Look at this shit, bro. Look how close it came again. Yo, what am I doing? What am I doing? Yo, this is insane. Every time I put the stop, it's like psych, psych. Wow. I can't believe this is going to happen twice. I can't believe it. There's no way. It inversed this gap. Inverse this one. I can't believe it doesn't want to go lower. This This is next level, guys. If this thing goes all the way up again, I'll be surprised. Very surprised. Very surprised. I'll be very surprised if it does not take me out here. Wow. 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 This is madness.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. This is crazy. It gets super close to my stop and then completely bounced. Yo, I don't know. If this thing rips right back up, bro, this is
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it!
yo, this is crazy. This is just crazy. Who would have said that this wasn't going to be a strong short to the bottom here? You know what I mean? Obviously, the only thing, it had the VWAP and the top of orb, but it literally closed inside orb, so showed like it really wanted to go down. Maybe this is just a pullback. Maybe this is just a pullback. But that's some, yo, I don't even know what to say right now. If this completely rejects this candle and rips to the upside, yo, this market is just playing with everybody. It's playing with everybody.
Bruh.
It's crazy. Look at this shit.
Green Giant. Green Giant.
Wow. It's, bro, super rangy. Super rangy. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Make sure you guys hit the like button so I can continue growing this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so I could so you can keep updated with the notifications and the lives. All right, there it goes. It's coming down. That was just a pullback. There's no way that this thing doesn't take me out right now. Insanity watching this, man. This is the total on the eval. So we took one trade, made 359, and then we took this second trade here, got stopped out on one, got a little green, like 30 bucks in the green, and I moved my stop up a little higher, and it didn't stop me out. It didn't stop me out by a few ticks again. It didn't stop me out here, and I moved it up, and it didn't stop me out yet here. It's still possible, still could get stopped out of the trade, but we'll still finish, I think, break even. We'll probably finish break even if it comes down and stops me out. If it rips to the upside, obviously, we should be green. Insane trading day. Let's see what happens. Crazy.
Let him cook! Let him cook now! Let him cook! I said let him cook!
Oh my goodness.
Green Giant.
And we're back. We're back to the upside. Is it going to inverse this now? Or is it going to rip down? Who knows at this point? Who knows? This is just complete madness. Ranging. It's been ranging since 10 a.m. Since 10 a.m. Just a range. Insane. It doesn't want to break to the upside. It just, for whatever reason, it's waiting for something. There it goes. It's going now. Finally, it's going for my stop. At this point, I don't even care anymore. I don't even care anymore. It's been like psych. Yeah. I don't even care anymore. It's
Finish him.
Today, honestly, it's if you take a short, you got cooked. It's the trading edge for today was, oh, it's going short, go long. Oh, it's going long, go short. That was the way to trade this crazy madness today. But yeah, I don't trade like that. I trade continuation, momentum, and there was none of that. None of that. Maybe right here, that first trade I took, right here that I caught the 30 points, but I only caught it because I closed 5 contracts. I'm sorry, 5 minis, yeah. And then the other one hit break even because it came right back down. And this is going right back down again. Yeah, no, I think I'm cooked. I think I'm officially cooked. Let's see. There it goes.
Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Oh, man. Nope. No way. No way. Don't tell me it's going to come down and edge the stop again. No way.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, at this point, it's just playing with me. It's honestly, it's just playing with me. It's just playing with me, man. This is crazy. Something crazy got to happen. It's either going to rip to the downside or rip to the upside. Something got to happen here. This has to figure out what it wants to do already. It's just
Connection lost.
okay. Great. There we go. Let's get excited. Let's see what got lost. They reconnected. Okay. Yo, this is wild. Now it goes to the moon or what? Am I gonna freaking win this trade or get cooked? This live has been on since 9 o'clock already. It's 9:30. I'm sorry, 11:38 Eastern time. Crazy. Wow. Sometimes it goes like this, guys. Sometimes it's 5 minutes and you win. Sometimes it's hours and it just goes sideways and you get stuck in chop. This is chop zone city. It happens. It happens, guys. I appreciate all of you guys tuning in. Wow. I've had over 88 views today, and I currently have eight people viewing me, and I'm super happy about that. I appreciate every single one of you. Please make sure you hit the like button so I can continue growing the channel. Yeah, today's just been a rangy day, super chops day. I mean, if you made any money today, I highly recommend you don't trade for the rest of the day. If you got chopped out today, trust me, you're in the millions of people who did, including me. So don't feel bad. Tomorrow's another day. And yeah, let's see what this wants to do now. Every time there's a red candle, the next candle is usually green. Let's see. Yeah. Is it finally going to take me out? Or is it going to rip? It might finally take me out, guys. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Finally about to take me out. No, psych, David. This is just wild. This is just wild. It's going down now. I think it's almost over. It's gonna be over for me now. For my damn trade. There he goes. Yep. This is whack.
No, God!
After everything.
No, God, please, no! 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 No!
It did give me an opportunity to get out profitable here, but you know, I took the chance. I took the chance. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, guys. Oh my God. Don't tell me you're going to edge me again. No way. No, no puede ser. No way it's going to edge the stop loss again. No way. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Nah. No way. I don't believe it. No way. No way this thing edges it and goes up. 3 times? No way, guys. 3 times it edged the stop loss and didn't fill it? Yo, there's no way. It edged it 3 times live on the stream. This has to be like insanity. This is like once in a lifetime. 3 times got edged the stop loss. No way. It has to take it out. It has to take it out. It's so close. It's so close. I don't believe this. If this one doesn't take it out, the next candle will. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Stop filled.
Fatality.
And there it is, guys. And there it is. We ended up with 80 bucks. Because I got froggy. Because I got froggy. I took a long here. I wanted to give you guys another trade. I thought this was a good long opportunity here, of course. Why did I think this was a good long? Guys, it broke into orb, broke all the EMAs, complete engulfing candle. I'd take this trade 9 out of 10 times. I didn't believe it was going to continue chopping. Who expects for it to range since 10 o'clock? And it's ranging over here from 6 o'clock. So, you know, you have to understand that it's in a range right now. And, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes the win rate is 70%. The lose rate is 30%. This is part of that 30%. And I made 80 bucks because I managed risk properly. But yeah, the long was... this is kind of what I took yesterday. Kind of, it broke out, but obviously it was on the first breakout. It wasn't on like tapping all the EMAs here. But yeah, I just didn't want to continue. And I promise you later, it'll want to come up here and fill this gap at some point in time. It'll want to come up here. It might not be today. It might be today, but I'm not going to be here for that. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in and watching this trade. It was a barcode day, super chop, and we still ended up with 80 bucks. Can't complain. A lot of people ended up negative today, so I'm happy with 80 bucks. And look at this shit. Now it's running straight down. And if I had my stop loss down here, I would have lost way more than 80 bucks. And now it's running to the downside. Who would have known? Who would have known? Insanity. It's probably going to rip all the way back up now. It's going to rip all the way back up. It's just horrible trading conditions, guys. It's just horrible completely. So whatever, guys. We ended it green. Some of you guys did get cooked, and I'm super sorry for that. Tomorrow's another day. These conditions today sucked. I hope you left enough capital that you could trade tomorrow. And don't go on tilt. Don't fight the market today. It's going to beat you to the pulp. It's going to beat you to a pulp. I promise you. I don't care how good you are. So, yeah. If you're a range trader, maybe it's good for you. But, yeah, I don't recommend it. Anyways, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching me make one good trade and then one not so good trade. And it is what it is. Wow. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'll be here tomorrow, 9 o'clock again, and we'll look for a banger. Only 80 bucks today, guys. I know you were looking for another 60K day. Go look at the video previously, and you'll see how I made the 60K and how I got this weekly P&L here. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Thank you guys again for tuning in. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. And I recommend to get off the chart. Get off. It's not good. This is a barcode day. Take it easy, guys. And remember, Trump speaks at 4, so definitely don't be trading at that time. Have a great day, guys.